Tonight on Thanks Hanks News at 6, the latest from the Tampa RV show. An unexpected cold front brings about some miserable weather to Florida.
A great marriage debate is finally settled.
And our top story, dog protests spark up some unwanted attention at the RV show.
All coming to you right now. Good evening, I'm Renee.
And I'm Kyle.
Welcome to Thanks Hanks News at 6, your source of information in the RV world.
Let's jump right into our first story. A cold front hits Florida where it hurts, causing some distress among the Tampa RV show. Ney Ney is live on scene bringing you the latest. Ney Ney, how's everyone holding up out there?
Thanks, Kyle. Citizens of Florida are saying, how can we ever survive this brutally cold weather? 57 degrees with a light drizzle. As you can see, people are dressed like they're about to explore K2. I don't know if they're gonna make it, but we're here live on the story, Tampa RV show. Puffies galore is what people are saying. I'm pretty sure REI has sold out in the past 2 days.
Ney Ney, sorry to cut you off, but it looks like we have an update coming in for you.
What? Oh, come again, Kyle? Kyle, that's what's happening? We're getting live updates that the people from the north are very, very upset. We don't even want to go into what Canada is saying, but in Wisconsin and Minnesota, they are currently protesting by going outside and shoveling their driveways in shorts and flip-flops. Back to you, Kyle.
Well, it does look a little chilly down there. We're hoping for some warmer weather for our Florida friends.
I mean, I am chilly just watching them, Kyle.
And Renee, I would love to help warm you up.
Well then, let's move on to our next story. The great marriage debate of the year continues, and we needed answers for everyone out there. Carl is live at the Tampa RV show vendor area to get the latest on the story. Carl, you're live.
Yeah, thanks Renee. We're out here live to get some real answers and clarify exactly what this is called. Can you tell me what this is actually called?
I call that tinfoil.
Tinfoil.
We're Canadian.
Aluminum foil. Saran wrap.
Aluminum foil?
I call it tinfoil.
Wrapping paper.
Foil.
Aluminium foil.
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil.
He said aluminum foil.
Aluminum.
What's your name?
Billy Bob. Is that quick enough?
Yeah.
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil. Aluminum foil.
High five. Low five. So you heard it, folks. Carl here live at the Tampa RV show. Lots of answers out there. We hope you can make the right decision. Back to you, Renee.
Thank you, Carl. It does sound like we don't have any real facts, and this is gonna be a long and ongoing story for everyone out there.
Well, you know what they say, Renee. That's just a matter of opinion.
Okay then.
And our final story of the evening, dog protests occur at the Tampa RV show regarding the lack of RV designs catering to their needs.
A long and brave day for our furry friends at the Tampa RV show. They wanted their barks heard by all to manufacture more dog-friendly features to these new RVs. Betsy made a statement saying, "We the dogs need more storage for our treats and food and less for the humans." Not every pup out there is for the protest, though. Waffles stated, "As long as we visit enough dog parks, I won't voice my bark." We ran into Tallulah Jane and Seven Louise that just wanted to bring joy at the show with their tricks and fun. They had no comment about all the dog protests going on.
Well, there you have it, folks. The latest on RV news, weather, and events. I'm Kyle.
And I'm Renee.
And this is Thanks Hanks News at 6. And a good night to you.
So we're here at the 2022 Florida RV Supershow. Supposedly, this is the largest RV show out there, but comment below. Let us know if that's the case. We don't really know what's going on, so we're just gonna kind of run around and hang out. And we're gonna show you guys, like, what do you do here? The best part is, what do you eat here?
Take it up a step. Hold on now, hold on. We gotta add the monkey. Wait a minute. There you go. There we go. Now what's the name? Now you look like a monkey. A dancing monkey. All right, here we go.
What just happened is I had a cardio workout, and do you see this? Is this new? Oh, we're in the pizza line. So what's the whole point of an RV show? Why can't you just go to dealerships to look at everything?
Great question.
I'm wondering the same. It's a great place to come if you're like RV shopping and you want to get a lay of the land. You want to know like what deals are out there. You can compare rigs. If there's one happening in your town, go hit it up. Listen, get your best outfit on and just go. I've always wanted to walk through like a truck camper. Sorry, is this distracting? Let's go see what they look like on the inside. I've never seen one. Come on, turn signals on.
This is awesome. These things are so tiny and compactable, and you can take them anywhere. What are you doing?
Hey.
Get out of there. You can barely stand in there. Wait, stand up real quick.
Okay.
I want to see. Let me come in here.
Thinking you sleep separate from everybody.
Look at the space. I can full extend there.
Look out the window.
Whoa. Yeah, there's a little toasty in here. My dishes, I can do dishes right here, and there's plenty of counter space for me to stack the dishes. I like to stack my dishes.
Smaller tanks with the Hanks.
Do you think this thing has tanks?
No tanks.
No tanks, thanks.
Ney Ney, you're so beautiful.
I heard that.
But don't
How
look
are
down, but there's
you?
this weird guy following
I
you.
know. All right, my hat almost fell off.
What in the... Oh, it's a monkey.
Yeah, I'm not sure what they're trying to tell me, but I was like, thanks.
Thanks. Wow, look at the bubbles. All right. I am literally married to a kid right now. What do you guys think? Are these hats a little much lately? I don't know. Yes, I'm talking to you guys. You, not these guys.
Yeah. On a serious note,
I'm hungry.
let's
What is
go
this?
find some RV show food. Give the people what they want.
I'm starving. Let's go do it.
This is the epitome, the idol of the RV show.
Well, we got quite a
Food
crowd
stand.
up here. Yeah, for
And
sure.
if you're coming here to sell food, you just got to get one of these two hickeys, because look at the crowd.
It's right in the cross
It's right.
section of all the crowds. That hat is just, it's something. I got the best idea. Can you hear me? There's a lot going on. Am I coming in loud and clear?
Loud and clear,
Can you
sir.
hear me?
Oh, look
Hey,
at this.
eyes down here. I know you're looking right here. Eyes down here. That's not food. That's dessert.
We can get ice cream.
Should we do that?
Yes.
Are you guys like eat dessert before dinner kind of people, or do you guys always make sure you eat dinner before dessert? Let us know in the comments below. I think I'm gonna get.
Don't tell anybody.
I'm gonna get a root beer float. It's one of my faves. What are you gonna get? Jen?
An ice cream cone.
You want an ice cream cone? Out of all these options, you're gonna get a plain ice cream cone. And then a root beer float for me, please.
And a root beer float?
Yeah.
Is all that together?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
All right, and the monkey paste?
The monkey pays. The monkey pays for sure. Wow.
Beer float.
Nasty. Hey, give me my root beer float back. Give me that root beer float.
Picture time. Everybody ready?
Love those guys, right? All right.
We love you guys.
Oh, thank you.
We just watched your toilet episode last night.
This flusher is just, it just works. Why?
Were you in the bed with the toilet?
Yeah.
I think this sitcom would just put you guys on.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Guys, did I tell you how much I love root beer floats? I love them. Let's ditch this popsicle stand. There are a lot of our peeps here, wouldn't you say?
Mm-hmm.
How's your ice cream cone? I'm surprised you finished it.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna be on a sugar high there.
Mm-hmm. We still have a lot to do at this show.
Your hat is literally hooking my arm right now.
Do I look like a toddler that was just taken to the amusement park or what?
No, not at all.
Not good.
We are so excited to see what the next couple days are gonna bring. Lots going on, and there is just still so much we wanna do. I hope we can get it all done, because this RV show is off the hook.
Gonna be an adventure. Look out, because we're coming. It's gonna be a wild ride.
Definitely gonna be a wild ride. Oh, by the way, Dexter says hi.
It is like being at the craft fair, but RVs. Let's look. We're gonna wander around and see what's up.
There is just so much to see here, I can't keep my head straight. And there's a lot of good energy in here, and I like that. I like good energy.
What are we checking out, Carl?
Follow me. My wife's foot. Look at that.
Wow.
Cool. Answer a call real quick. Be like, hello? Good idea.
I mean, this is what we're doing right now.
This has Carl written all over it. Exhibit A, follow this. Exhibit B, yeah, don't do that. It's time for an upgrade.
You just got the 310.
Let her rip, honey. We don't question this in the Hanks household. What do you think is better about the 320 compared to the 310? If you know what it is, throw it in the comments below. Let her rip. Do you think these mattresses freeze like our Tempur-Pedic does when it gets cold?
I don't know.
Hard as a rock? Ring a bell?
He's like, why is this bed so hard? This thing is hard as a rock.
You forgot already,
I
didn't you?
I forgot.
What is this? Honey, this is great. You need to get the other one. I got my new socks on today, by the way.
Where are you going?
That's me right now. How you doing over there? You like it? Well, it's been a wild ride so far. Are you gonna cry or are you laughing? Somebody found Ney Ney.
Somebody found Ney Ney. She's getting tortured right now in the massage chair.
That's what I felt like when I took that ride. It was crazy. I'm gonna be hanging out with her more.
Go up those doors. They are on your right.
Okay. Thanks so much. Can you watch my wife for me? And I'll be right back. Okay. Thanks so much. Have a good night.
I feel so wobbly on my feet now.
I feel like a new man. Now you don't have to beg me for foot massages all the time anymore.
You'll still have to.
Really? See what I have to deal with? Babe, check this out. Look at that bad boy. Can you see Dexter rolling in that? I can't even afford to look at it. I mean, they're charging me, but I'm surprised they didn't take my credit card yet. If you're rocking a Newell on the road, throw it in the comments below.
We want to hang. I want to tour.
I want to see what it looks like on the inside. Is this in the budget?
It's funny you say that. I was just about to ask, can we afford a hot dog? So I don't know if we're on the right track.
That's a little more our speed.
Okay.
Yo, let's go check out one of these truck campers. Come on. Wow, this is bigger than what I thought they were. Who would have thought this fits in the back of your truck?
This is awesome. Look, this is bigger than our dinette.
We can do some cooking, dishes, Dexter's got his bed, and then midnight snacks. Hello. Snazzy. Hey, that's pretty cool. I like that. Oh, it taps right in the sink there.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. What do you think?
I like it. Madame. Hit your head.
I hit my head.
Can't take her anywhere. Oh. Guys, tell us if we should get one of these backpacks for Dexter. Yes or no? Yay or nay?
Nay.
Guys, when you get here to this show, just expect that every RV under the sun's gonna be here. Every brand, every model, every design, it seems like, is here. So much food, so much great positivity here. It seems like everyone with backstories and all sorts of stories are coming together and rocking the RV life, so we're all about that. Yeah. Don't let us jump into like the $3 million one. Goodness, I am so exhausted. Wow, Tampa has been off the hook, and the Hanks family are so thankful to be here and have gone through our first RV Super Show.
A lot of you guys made some really long commutes. The turnout was just amazing, and we love hearing everyone's stories. Y'all making us laugh, asking where Dexter is.
He's right here. He's been here the whole time. He says hi. That was pretty good. He says hi. I guess I'll just make dinner. No problem. That's how the Hanks hole does it. Carl's doing it all, just as always. Just kidding, hon. Yo, how many of you were at the Tampa show? Have you guys ever been to a Tampa show before? Throw it in the comments below. And if we missed you, we are so sorry. Hopefully we could catch you at one of our future meetups. if you guys want to come to a meetup, you know where to find us, description below, and we got the website listed there for you, as always. So come meet us Crazy Hanks, and we can hang out and catch up. I want to hear your side of the story. So does Ney Ney, and of course Dexter is always asking as well.
I need you to see what I got on clearance at Grand Design.
Coming down.
Come on in. Oh,
It's
that's super cool.
Just the
Okay.
cutest little thing.
Oh, that was on sale? You bought another one, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Honey, I told you, one's enough. Oh, kisses for everyone on the screen.